All right, guys, Trent here with Sonar Pros. Obviously, everyone's heard the new LVS 42 HD and LVS 44 Garmin transducers are here. We've got a bunch on order, so get on our pre-order list. But I'm here to answer a couple questions. I've been getting a ton of questions of which transducer to get, LVS 42 HD or LVS 44. This is preliminary what I'm recommending. Now, transparently, I don't have much time with these transducers. We got some coming, so I can hopefully get you guys better detail. But initially, general bass guys, you're gonna want to go with the 44. It's essentially an enhanced 34, better stitching, better bottom separation, a little bit further range and clarity. Overall, an improvement over the 34. So, general bass guys, 44. If you are an angler that works in a short range environment, I'm going to call it 80 feet in for right now. If you're throwing a koiki, if you're throwing a minnow, and you're in a little bit shorter range and not excessively deep water, and you're looking for really fine detail, my crappie guys, I'm talking to you especially here, you're going to want to go with that LVS 42 HD. Both are great transducers. I'm really hoping here soon we get on the water and I can get you guys more defined differences between them. The other big question is what mounting options are available. So we have learned that the mounting surface on these transducers is different than the 34. So that means our Boat Logic switch blades, our Fish Obsessed mounts, and other aftermarket accessories are going to need new adapters. I know right now Boat Logic is working on a new mount for the switchblade for these transducers, and I'm sure Fish Obsessed will as well. So we've got a lot of good options for mounts, but they don't exist right now. So be on the lookout for those on our website as they come out. So if you guys are looking for an LVS 42 HD or a 44, check us out at SonarProsElectronics.com and get on our pre-order list. It's really important if you guys want a transducer anytime soon.